Welcome to Follow Me Draw. Today we're going to be drawing a candle. Get some paper, something to color with and something to draw with. Time to start! First, draw 2 long lines down the page. This will be the sides of our candle. Most candles have wax dripping down the sides. Your lines can have little bumps in it as wax drips. Once you have 2 lines about the same size, we can now draw the top. Draw 2 short curved lines at the top. The lines don't have to meet in the middle. That's where we'll draw the wick. Draw another curved line like this. And now we can add our wick. Draw a short wick sticking out of the candle. At the top of our wick, we did some short lines getting smaller and smaller. This is the part of the wick that is being burnt. Draw a curved line for the bottom of your candle. And now we can add the flame. Instead of drawing it in black, we drew it in yellow. The flame is pointy at the top and curves around at the bottom. You can make your flame a different shape if you want. Here's our finished candle. 3rd Nephi chapter 11, verse 10 to 11. Behold, I am Jesus Christ, whom the prophets testified should come into the world. And behold, I am a light and the life of the world. Now it's time to color. I chose to do my candle purple. By adding a dark background, it will make your candle stand out even more. are the finished candles. Everyone had talked of him, sung of him, dreamed of him, and prayed for his appearance. But here he actually was, the Day of Days, the God who turned every dark night into morning light had arrived. Elder Jeffrey R. Holland. Activity Idea 1. Discuss together what are some ways Jesus Christ has been a light in your life. Activity Idea 2. You could write on your picture things that bring physical light and spiritual light into your lives. Thanks for joining us. For more drawing videos, like, share and subscribe to Follow Me Draw.